if you guys would believe it or not, this right here is synthetic hair.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Anna and I'm the owner of AnnaVatari.com, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial, specifically a hair tutorial on this hair that I have right here. Okay, now if you guys would believe it or not, this right here is synthetic hair. Synthetic hair, well, it's blended synthetic hair. I can flat iron this, curl this, whatever you want to do besides dye, because I don't think you could dye synthetic. But I'm going to be doing a review on this hair. So I got this hair at my local beauty store. I got it for $60, and I've had this hair for about a week or so. Now let's get right into the pros and cons of having synthetic hair. So let's start with the pros. Pros of having synthetic hair is, one, synthetic hair is very affordable. Okay, it's very, very, very affordable. It's very cheap. And if you're looking to go to some place and you don't have a lot of money, but you need your hair to be laid and popping, okay, synthetic hair is the way to go. That's one pro. Two, the curls. Okay, the curl stays. The curl is very defined and it doesn't look too synthetic-y, if that makes sense, because like, you know, when you see synthetic hair, you can tell like that's synthetic hair. This one, I feel like you can tell, but not as much. I'm the type of person who likes to run their hair through their hair a lot, because best believe if I pay this with my money, I'm gonna be playing with them. Hey, I'm gonna be playing with them. No matter how many times I run my fingers through the curl, the form, the pattern, it always stays. So that's another pro. When I was actually working it, because you know when you buy hair, it doesn't look as presentable as it could be. So you work around it, you flat iron it, you hot comb it to make this part flat, you part the center. So another pro about this hair is it took heat very well. Like, I use my spray on it and then I use my hot comb on this part, and it took heat very, very well. It wasn't burning, didn't give a funny or, you know, a weird smell or any of that other stuff that it usually does. Another pro about this hair is, do you guys see the part? This is a very long part. This is where the lace ends. So it gives you a good amount of distance to part your hair, to give it a little bit more of the natural look, rather than, you know, synthetic hair comes up to here and then it looks kind of weird on your head. That's another pro. Another pro about this hair is, so let me just show you. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'm also gonna leave more videos of that for you guys to see. And this is just, you know, me running my hands through it, not brushing it or any of that. So that's another pro. This hair goes from one side of ear to all the way to the other side of your ear. So that's a plus as well. And one thing is, they also give you enough space on the side so that you can pluck the hair to make it look as natural as you can possibly make it look like. This is the second time getting this hair. I got this hair when I was going on my Cabo vacation. So I went to Cabo and I used this hair. And when I'm telling you, this hair did not disappoint. It did not disappoint. For synthetic hair and for $60, you definitely did not disappoint, because when I'm telling you, on my vacation, this hair held. This hair was there for me. Okay, where we went dolphin swimming, water went on this hair, everything, and it still kept its form, its shine, and everything. And I paid for this hair with my own money. It's not sponsored or anything, so when I'm telling you it's good, personally for me, I think it's good enough. So you guys just see how, like, no matter how many times I run my hand through, it bounces back. And like, it looks messy, but it's like a fun messy. It's not like the, oh my gosh, your hair is like messed up. Like, I know, girl. Now let's talk about the cons, because obviously there's cons to everything that you do. One thing about this hair that I personally do not like is after a while, like you see right there, I have a little resistance right there. That is obviously it comes with every hair, especially for synthetic hair, but after a couple hours it does get tangled up and stuff. But as long as you have your handy dandy brush with you, you are all set and you are all good. When it comes to synthetic, one thing you have to be obvious is it's synthetic. So over time, it's gonna get matted, it's gonna get knotted, you know? So this is where the clip in the ends come in. So if I ever feel like the hair is getting too matted or, you know, tangled or whatever, I use this right here. This is my holy grail. Some lady put me onto it at the beauty supply store. It's a BONFI Natural, that's the name of it. It's a BONFI Natural oil-free wig shine. It's a UV protection and vitamin E for dull, dry, human, and synthetic hair. So this is actually made for synthetic hair. And one thing I do love about this product as well is when you spray it on, it gives it a shine. So basically what the lady was trying to explain to me at the beauty store was when you use synthetic hair has some dyes and fibers in it that over time the hair loses those fibers and stuff. This right here helps it. Okay, it does enough. It gets the shine and it smells great. Like, it smells freaking amazing. And that's a lot of pros. For me, when it comes to synthetic hair, for those being the pros, I think that's good enough for me. You know, obviously everybody have their own expectations and standards for getting hair. So when it comes to me, that is good enough for me to get the hair that I had. You see, like, it's a little bit tangled right there, but ain't nothing that we can't fix. And you guys are seeing it from the front. Let me do like a back view, you know. Yeah, see how this hair still has curl pattern, it's still intact, it has shine, and I've been hearing this hair for about a week or so. So I've had some mileage in this hair, but yeah. The curls in here never drops. It's just, you know, it doesn't feel synthetic, it doesn't feel fake either. In my opinion, it doesn't look synthetic, nor does it look fake. And again, I've had this hair for a week, so just keep that in mind as well. Even though I purchased this hair from my local beauty supply store, I know there's tons of different websites online that you can purchase this hair at. Again, I will show you the picture of this hair, and I will also look online to see if I can find a website that sells this hair, and I will leave it down below. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing, it's just sold by different companies. And that's what sensational hair. You cannot go wrong with sensational synthetic hair. And this hair, baby girl, is here to stay.